If your SaaS is losing trial users, it might be because of some leaks in your funnel. And today I'm going to be breaking down Regal's funnel and are going to see why they might be losing trial users. So first of all, Regal is basically a platform that helps businesses build, improve, and manage voice AI agents. Okay. So first of all, we can see the headline is very clear and the subheadline clearly states what they do and it's very transparent. The little lure above the fold is also really good in order to increase the number of opt-ins. Potentially, they could have added a lead magnet or any kind of a discount or a incentive in order to get people to more people to provide their work email and requested them. It is good that they have added the G2 5-star symbol here in order to convey credibility. And then again, they're trying to get you to get a call, which is good if you actually um, pull your number. Then here they got a really nice video that you can watch
So,
that explains more about the platform. And here we can see even more credibility in terms of all the platforms, all the brands and you know uh, businesses that have already used this software. And there's some really high profile brands that you might have already heard of, like Toyota and eHealth. Okay, so this is really good. Here they've got more stats, like for example, 97% containment rate or 80% reduction in cost to serve, which are all basically very attractive and appealing offers, or appealing stats for anyone who's looking to use this software. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can see more explanations about how it's a really good replacement for basically humans on the phone, and they all sound humans. And as most softwares, they allow you to have integrations with many other popular platforms like Slack and Salesforce and Zendesk and stuff like that. And again, we've got some more credibility in terms of the security platforms, security certificates that they have um, gotten. Here, you can see more customer stories and more testimonials that you can go and read. And these are important in order to allow the prospect to have a better idea of what working with this company would feel like. And for example, you can see how this company, Fair Finance, has been able to double their conversions using their agents provided by Regal. And again, here they're trying to get your work email. Right. So this is the end of the website. So potentially they could have added a frequently asked question at the bottom of the page in order to handle any objections that prospect might have about using this platform. And then that would also make any kind of a sales call a lot easier and would make them more likely to make a purchasing decision. Right. As we said before, they could have added some kind of lead magnet to for the prospect to um, get them, give them the email, right? And then let's go and check the pricing to see what that looks like. So we can see the pricing is obviously locked behind a form. So you're gonna have to fill out the form, and that's fair because it means they're gonna get more qualified leads at the cost of a little bit of a less number of opt-ins. And it's a relatively good form because it doesn't have um, too many fields, which is good. And here they do have some kind of levels of frequently asked questions, but potentially adding more and also potentially adding on the homepage might be better, right? And so that's it really. So if we go back to the homepage, you can see that I just wanted to say that if you are a SaaS and you are seeing that you're not converting as many free trial users as you would like, then you can definitely take a look in the description down below